Is this the broken hose you're dealing with on your Tineco iFloor 1? If so, you're not alone. This is the single most common failure point we see on this machine. This small but mighty part takes all the stress from the twisting and turning you do while cleaning, making a crack like this almost inevitable over time. The result is an instant and total loss of suction. All the noise, none of the power. Your advanced floor cleaner has been downgraded to a very expensive, very loud squeegee that just pushes dirty water around. But don't give up on it. At Robocare, we've got the professional permanent fix. Our technicians have seen this exact failure hundreds of times. We know the iFloor 1 inside and out, specifically why that neck hose is its biggest weakness. We don't just patch the problem, we provide a real, long-lasting solution. Our process is precise. We carefully disassemble the articulating neck assembly. No broken clips or stripped screws here. Then, we replace the faulty hose with a genuine hose. We ensure a perfect, watertight seal so your suction is as good as new, if not better. But seeing is believing, right? Now we'll show you the results. And just like that, after a quick repair by Robocare, the suction is restored, and this Tineco is back to destroying messes, not making them. Hear what our customers have to say about their Robocare experience.
Look, if you're having this problem, or any problem with your robot or handheld vacuum, I can't recommend Robocare enough. They were professional, the service was incredibly convenient, and the result speaks for itself.
Ready to get your vacuum back in the fight against grime? Visit our website or call us today to schedule your repair.